Imagine replacing hours of work with just a few clicks. Sounds impossible? That's exactly what AI is making possible today. Today, I'm showing you 7 free AI tools that are so powerful they almost feel unfair to use. These aren't just popular apps. They're tools that can genuinely save time and make everyday work easier. Whether you're studying, creating content, running a business, or simply trying to be more productive, there's something here for you. And trust me, tool number 7 completely changed the way I work. It's the one tool I wish I had discovered much earlier. So make sure you stay until the end, because that's where the biggest surprise is waiting. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete AI toolkit to save time, work smarter, and boost your productivity. Instead of wasting hours searching for the best tools online, you'll know exactly which ones are worth using. Let's build your AI toolkit together. Whether you're a student trying to study faster, a creator making videos, a freelancer managing clients, or a business owner growing a company, these tools can help you achieve more with less effort. The best part, every tool you'll see today has a free version that you can start using immediately. Welcome to AI Spark, where we explore the smartest AI tools to help you work faster, create better, and stay ahead. Let's start with one of the most powerful AI tools available today, ChatGPT. Most people think ChatGPT is just another chatbot, but that's only scratching the surface. In reality, it's like having a writer, researcher, coding assistant, brainstorming partner, and productivity coach all in one place. Imagine you need to write a professional email, summarize a long article, generate business ideas, plan a trip, or even learn a completely new skill. Instead of spending hours searching online, ChatGPT can help you get started in seconds. The key isn't just using ChatGPT, it's knowing how to ask the right questions. A simple prompt gives simple answers, but a detailed prompt can produce results that feel almost human. For example, instead of typing "write an email," you could ask ChatGPT to write a friendly but professional email to a client, include a clear call to action, and keep it under 150 words. That small change can make a huge difference in the quality of the response. Whether you're a student, a creator, a freelancer, or someone who simply wants to save time every day, ChatGPT is one of the best free AI tools you can start using right now. If ChatGPT is your AI assistant, then Perplexity is your AI-powered research partner. Instead of giving you just an answer, it tells you exactly where that information comes from. Tool number 2. Perplexity AI. Imagine you're researching the latest AI trends, comparing laptops, or checking facts for a school project. Instead of opening 10 different websites, Perplexity searches the web, summarizes the information, and even provides the sources. That means you spend less time searching and more time learning. This is especially useful for students, writers, professionals, and anyone who needs reliable information quickly. It's like having a research assistant available 24 hours a day. And the best part? You can start using Perplexity for free today. Now, let's move on to a tool that can create stunning presentations in minutes. Tool number 3, Gamma AI. Creating professional presentations can take hours, but Gamma changes that completely. Simply describe your topic, and it builds a clean, modern presentation in just a few moments. Whether you're preparing for a class, pitching a business idea, or presenting to a client, Gamma helps you focus on your ideas instead of spending hours designing slides. The presentations look modern, polished, and professional, even if you've never designed one before. That's why Gamma has become one of my favorite AI productivity tools. So far, we've covered an AI assistant, an AI research tool, and an AI presentation creator. But the next tool is something every student and researcher should know about: Tool number 4, Notebook LM. Have you ever wished you could upload a long PDF and instantly understand everything inside it? That's Exactl Notebook LM. Lets you upload documents, research papers, notes, or even books. Then, instead of reading hundreds of pages yourself, you can simply ask questions about the content and it gives you answers based on your own documents. It's like having a personal AI tutor that's already read everything for you. What Notebook LM helps you do. This is perfect for students preparing for exams, researchers analyzing reports, or professionals reviewing lengthy documents. Instead of spending hours reading, you can find exactly what you need in seconds. One of my favorite features is that Notebook LM can even generate study guides, FAQs, and podcast-style audio discussions from your uploaded content. That makes learning faster, easier, and much more interactive. If you're a student or someone who works with lots of information every day, Notebook LM is one of those AI tools you'll wonder how you ever lived without. We've covered writing, research, presentations, and now AI-powered learning. But the next tool can actually create incredibly realistic human voices in seconds. Tool number 5, ElevenLabs. Have you ever listened to an AI voice that sounded so natural you couldn't tell it wasn't human? Just a few years ago, AI voices sounded robotic and emotionless, but today, that has completely changed. ElevenLabs can generate incredibly realistic voices that are being used by YouTubers, businesses, educators, and even audiobook creators around the world. All you have to do is type your text, choose a voice, and within seconds, ElevenLabs transforms it into natural-sounding speech. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, podcasts, online courses, presentations, or social media content, this tool can save you hours of recording and editing. The best part is that the voices sound expressive, clear, and surprisingly human. Imagine you're running a YouTube channel but don't want to use your own voice. Instead of buying expensive recording equipment or hiring voice actors, you can create professional quality narration in just a few clicks. That's one of the reasons why ElevenLabs has become one of the most popular AI voice tools available today. It's not just about saving time, it's about creating content faster without sacrificing quality. From explainer videos to product reviews and educational tutorials, ElevenLabs makes professional narration accessible to almost anyone. That's exactly why millions of creators have added it to their AI toolkit. Now that we've covered AI writing, research, presentations, learning, and voice generation, let's take things one step further. What if AI could actually help you edit videos like a professional? Tool number 6, Runway AI. Runway is one of the most exciting AI video tools available today. It can remove backgrounds, erase unwanted objects, generate video clips, and speed up editing tasks that would normally take hours. For content creators, filmmakers, and marketers, it's like having an AI-powered editing assistant built directly into your workflow. And believe me, the final tool on this list might completely change the way you present ideas visually. Tool number 7, Napkin AI. So far, we've explored AI tools that help you write, research, study, create presentations, generate realistic voices, and even edit videos. But what if you could turn a complex idea into a professional visual in just a few seconds? That's exactly where Napkin AI comes in.
Instead of spending hours designing flowcharts, diagrams, or visual explanations, Napkin AI can instantly convert your written ideas into clean, professional graphics. Whether you're creating a business presentation, explaining a process, or making educational content, this tool helps you communicate ideas much more clearly. It's fast, simple, and designed for people who want great visuals without learning complicated design software. Imagine explaining an AI workflow, a business strategy, or a school project. Instead of using plain text, you can present everything with clean diagrams that people instantly understand. That's why creators, teachers, students, and professionals are starting to add Napkin AI to their productivity toolkit. The best AI tools don't just save time, they completely change the way you work. From writing and research to presentations, voice generation, video editing, and visual storytelling, the tools we've covered today can help you accomplish more in less time. And the best part is that you can start exploring every one of them without spending a fortune. If you found at least one tool that could improve your workflow, let me know in the comments which one impressed you the most. And if you'd like to discover even more powerful AI tools, make sure to subscribe because we're just getting started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.